Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm gonna show you how to make these 2-ingredient bagels. They're so delicious, they're chewy, they're moist inside, just out of this world. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I upload 3 times every week. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with 1 cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm putting this into a bowl with 1 cup of yogurt. As you can see, these are going to be blueberry bagels. Now give this a good mix. I'm going to add some freeze-dried blueberries to really amp up the flavor. After you mix this all up, they are ready. You can always just do this by hand too. The second bagels are going to be plain. I'm making these with 1 cup of flour, the teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now mix it up, and bagels number 2 are ready. Place the dough on a floured surface and slightly roll them around a bit and knead them so that they're not so sticky. Cut the dough into 4 pieces, and then roll them out into your strands to form the bagels. Brush this with a beaten egg to give it that nice golden brown color when it bakes. And then you could top these bagels with anything you like. I'm going to be using the Everything Bagel seasoning, which consists of sesame and poppy seeds, onion, and salt. They're going to get placed on a baking sheet and baked for about 20 minutes on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're ready, the bottom should be golden brown and they will be incredible. Try to use a thick Greek yogurt for the best texture. The regular yogurt resulted in the bagels being a bit more dense, but either way, these were delicious with a nice slather of cream cheese. You must try these out sometime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another quick and easy recipe.